Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have beautiful flowers on ribbons embellishments for you. So let's get started. So I crafted my cards with two different easy 3D topper packs today. The first one is called the flowers and bows on ribbons. And they're a little bit different than the regular easy 3D toppers because they're a little larger. So there are still 10 to a pack. These average about 5.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And when you look at them, they have these flattened edges here where it shows the ribbon, and then of course the beautiful bow and the flowers. So 10 of them to a pack, and every single one is just stunning. Look at the colors, look at the artwork. They're very lightly glittered, so barely any glitter on it, but just a little bit to give it just a little bling. You can see here on the hydrangea. And we have a cute orchid, roses of course, lilies, and this looks like poppies and forget-me-nots. So what can you do with these? I'll show you. What I have here, my first card, you can see how I layered this embellishment from edge to edge. So it goes over the entire card. Now the background for this paper, for this card, is just packaging paper from paper pad, where it showed all the different papers. You know, when you buy these paper pads, sometimes they have the papers showing in just little strips. And I always have a hard way throwing anything out, so I thought, well, maybe I can use this sometime. So I found it in my stash and I used it for this card. To give it a little bit of an upgrade, I just added glitter borders to some of those lines, so just to make it look a little bit more that I just didn't use the packaging. And then of course a little heart stone right there finishes it off. The card is a Michael's card with the scalloped edge. Yeah, and now look at this embellishment. It has foil on it, just a little bit of glitter here over the rose petals. But isn't that a different look? See how you can lay it from edge to edge, and you have that beautiful bow in the middle and then the flower sticking out. I think this is a stunning card. It still needs a sentiment. I left it blank. I'm not sure if this is going to be a thank you card or best wishes card. So this can be sitting in my stash for a while until I need a beautiful card. Now I made one just like it. Here is the next one. Again, I used from one of my paper pads the cover, the packaging, cut it to shape. So this is really just one paper. Added some of my glitter borders, and I'll link those below. And then here is another little heart. I had that left over, of course, from Valentine's, and finally used it up. And then again, here you can see how it goes edge to edge, and this is how it makes these cards. And I think it's very stunning because it's a large embellishment, and even though I had busy background paper, I wasn't sure if that works or not, but it does. It kind of gives this decoupage look, which I really like. So here is my second card, and I made a third card because they were so fun to make. Here we go. And here it is. I used some wood grain paper on a purple card blank. And here you can see again edge to edge. What I did is I added a little bit of this pearl string. I have added that pearl string in the value pack that I'm currently offering, if it's still available. Because you can cut it, it really looks kind of nice. So I just added it to the embellishment. I had this in my stash. There's another little, my very last heart that I had, the sentiment from my stash. Of course, the butterfly I printed out, and I punched out, and then of course this pearl up here too, I offer that in a value pack, an embellishment value pack, and I'll link it below if it's still available. Okay, so I thought these embellishments make really nice cards, and just the way I like it, very quick, very easy, but still looking stunning. But there's more. Okay, there's a second one, and this is called Flowers on Ribbons. And again, it has 10 flowers embellishments in this bag. A little bit different, but the same idea. Look how gorgeous. It has glitter on it. It has the beautiful ribbon and then flowers. Roses and more roses. And lilies. And blue flowers. And this looks like hibiscus. So beautiful flowers. And here is what I did with this pack. I first made a gift bag. So let's just take a look at this one. So this is a gift bag that I bought at Michael's, and I think they sell them like in the baker's dozen or so. And all I did here is add edge to edge again this beautiful flower ribbon, and then a sentiment from my stash. And doesn't it upgrade this cute paper bag? I mean, this checkered paper bag was cute to begin with, but now I think it really got upgraded. And all you have to do is layer it with a couple of foam pads, and here you go. So that's my first one. And then I also made this cute little bag. So I'll show what this is. This is a pillow bag. So what you do is you kind of make a little pillow box out of this one, and you can add a little gift in there, and it even has a handle, so it comes as a bag. And how cute is this with the embellishment on there? Now I have these pillow bags in my store. They come in a 2-pack. So there is a silver one and a gold one, and it has also the handles, which just go through these holes that are already punched. All the lines are pre-scored. All you have to do is what I just did, is fold it together, and there's only one glue line, and that's this one down here. So you turn it over, and then you just make this beautiful little bag, and then you can add a little gift there. But I thought the embellishment and also the size of the embellishment just made that little pillow bag super cute and embellished. Look at that. There you go. So I hope you liked my cards and cute little gift bags. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment. Also subscribe to my channel, and you can become a member of the European Papercrafts group, friends group on Facebook, and all the information is in the info box below. But this is all I have for you today. Please stay or get well, and let us be kind to each other. Thank you, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.